What if I tell you that DJI is about to change the FPV drone world forever? A drone that combines cinematic flying, full 360-degree capture, and immersive FPV control in one compact body, a drone that creators have been waiting for, rumors have been flying around for months, and leaks just refuse to stop. Yes, today we are talking about the DJI Avata 360, one of the most anticipated drones DJI has ever worked on. This drone is not just late, it is strategically late, and that delay is exactly what has increased its hype to the next level. In this video, I will explain why DJI Avata 360 is launching late, why the hype is so massive, what benefits it brings, its expected features, price, and possible launch timeline in full detail. So make sure you watch till the end. Because this drone could redefine aerial content creation, the first and most important question is, why is DJI Avata 360 taking so long to launch? The main reason is technology integration. DJI is not just upgrading the Avata, they are combining FPV performance with true 360-degree camera technology, which is extremely complex. Unlike traditional drones, a 360-degree drone needs perfect stabilization, advanced stitching algorithms, and powerful onboard processing. Another major reason is image processing and heat management. A 360 camera records everything around it at very high resolution, which generates huge data and heat. DJI wants smooth footage without overheating issues, especially during long FPV flights. The third reason is software optimization. DJI is known for polished products, not rushed launches. They are heavily optimizing AI horizon leveling, real-time stitching, low latency transmission, and compatibility with DJI goggles and controllers. The final reason is competition pressure. DJI knows that brands like Insta360 are strong in the 360 camera market. To dominate both FPV and 360 categories together, DJI wants Avata 360 to be nearly perfect at launch. So this delay is not a weakness. It is a sign that DJI wants to release a next-generation drone, not just another update. Why the hype around DJI Avata 360 is so big? The hype around DJI Avata 360 is massive because this drone targets three types of creators at once. First, FPV pilots who want cinematic control and speed. Second, vloggers and filmmakers who want immersive 360 shots. Third, travel and adventure creators who want maximum creative freedom with minimum equipment. Until now, creators had to choose between an FPV drone or a 360 camera. DJI Avata 360 promises to combine both worlds into one device. Another reason for the hype is DJI's brand trust. When DJI delays a product, people expect something revolutionary. Leaks suggest this drone will be more intelligent, safer, and more creator-friendly than any FPV drone before it. And finally, the name Avata 360 itself suggests a new category. This is not just Avata 2. This is a whole new direction. Design and build quality expectations. DJI Avata 360 is expected to keep the compact and durable Avata design but with a more refined body. The propeller guards will likely remain, making it safer for indoor flying and close-range shots. However, the body will be redesigned to accommodate dual ultra-wide lenses or a specialized 360 camera module. This means better aerodynamics, stronger cooling vents, and improved weight distribution. The build quality is expected to be premium, using reinforced plastic and lightweight materials to maintain agility while carrying advanced camera hardware, camera, and 360-degree video capabilities. The camera system is the heart of DJI Avata 360. Leaks suggest it may feature dual sensors capable of recording full 360-degree video, possibly up to 6,000 or even 8K resolution. This allows creators to reframe shots after recording. You can choose any angle later, which means no missed shots during flight. The dynamic range is expected to improve significantly, making highlights and shadows more balanced. Even during sunset or harsh daylight, low-light performance is also expected to be better than previous Avata models. Thanks to improved sensor technology and AI noise reduction, stabilization and flight smoothness, stabilization is where DJI shines. DJI Avata 360 is expected to use advanced rock steady and horizon steady, combined with 360-degree horizon locking. This means no matter how aggressive your flight is, your footage will remain smooth, cinematic, and usable. Even beginners will be able to capture professional-looking footage without complex manual adjustments. FPV experience and control system. DJI Avata 360 will fully support DJI goggles and motion controllers. This gives pilots a deeply immersive experience, making flying intuitive and fun. The motion controller will allow simple hand movements to control the drone, making FPV accessible even to non-professional pilots. Latency is expected to be extremely low, ensuring real-time response and precise control during fast movements. Safety features and intelligence. Safety is another major focus. DJI Avata 360 is expected to include improved obstacle sensing, emergency braking, and auto-return features. The propeller guards will help Protect the drone during indoor flights or tight spaces. Smart flight modes will allow creators to focus on storytelling rather than manual flying skills. Battery life and performance. Battery life is expected to improve slightly compared to the original Avata. While 360 recording consumes more power, DJI is likely using a more efficient battery and processor. Expected flight time could be around 18 to 20 minutes. Depending on flight style and recording resolution, fast charging support may also be included for creators who shoot frequently. Benefits of DJI Avata, 364 creators. The biggest benefit is creative freedom. You no longer need multiple devices to capture different angles. Another benefit is time efficiency. You shoot once and decide framing later. For travel creators, this drone reduces luggage weight while increasing output quality. For beginners, it offers safety, stability, and simplicity. For professionals, it offers flexibility and cinematic results. Expected price range: DJI Avata 360 is expected to be priced higher than the standard Avata due to its advanced camera system. The estimated price range could be $1,300 to $1,600 USD. Depending on bundles and accessories, creator kits with goggles and controllers may cost more. Expected launch date: based on industry trends and leaks, DJI Avata 360 is expected to launch later this year or early next year. DJI usually launches major products when software and hardware are fully optimized, so expect an official announcement soon. DJI Avata 360 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones ever released. The late launch is not a problem. It is a promise of quality. If DJI delivers what leaks suggest, this drone will redefine FPV filmmaking and 360 content creation. For creators who want innovation, freedom, and cinematic power, DJI Avata 360 will absolutely be worth the wait. Now let's talk about the most important question. What truly makes the DJI Avata 360 special? And how is it different from other drones already available in the market? Most drones today fall into two separate categories. Either they are cinematic camera drones like the DJI Mini or Air series, or they are FPV drones like the DJI Avata, designed for speed and immersive flying. On the other hand, 360-degree cameras like Insta360 are usually handheld or mounted separately. Not built directly into FPV drones, DJI Avata 360 is special because it breaks this separation completely. Difference between DJI Avata 360 and normal camera drones: traditional camera drones are designed to fly smoothly and automatically. They rely heavily on GPS, slow movements, and preset flight paths. While they produce beautiful cinematic shots, they cannot perform aggressive maneuvers, tight indoor flights, or dynamic FPV-style movements. DJI Avata 360, however, is built for manual control and immersive FPV flying. It allows the pilot to dive, roll, and fly through tight spaces while still capturing usable cinematic footage. Unlike normal drones where the camera angle is fixed during flight, the 360-degree system in Avata 360 allows creators to change angles later in post-production. This is something normal drones simply cannot offer. Difference between DJI Avata 360 and standard FPV drones. Standard FPV drones are fast and exciting, but they have major limitations. They require high-level flying skills, and one small mistake can crash the drone. DJI Avata 360 is different because it combines FPV freedom with DJI's safety intelligence. It offers propeller guards, stabilized footage, emergency braking, and intelligent flight modes. Another major difference is content usability. FPV drones usually produce raw footage that requires heavy stabilization and editing. DJI Avata 360 delivers ready-to-use cinematic footage, even for beginners. Difference between DJI Avata 360 and 360 cameras. 360 cameras are amazing, but they are limited to ground-based or handheld shots. They cannot truly fly with precision, speed, and stability like a drone. DJI Avata 360 brings true aerial 360-degree capture with FPV control. This allows creators to capture impossible shots that were never achievable before. Unlike separate 360 cameras mounted on drones, Avata 360 is expected to have perfect weight, balance, and optimized stitching, resulting in cleaner and more professional footage. Why DJI Avata 360 is a creator's dream? The biggest advantage of DJI Avata 360 is that it eliminates creative compromise. You no longer have to choose between speed, safety, or cinematic quality. You can fly aggressively like an FPV drone, record everything in 360 degrees, and later select the perfect angle. For travel creators, this means fewer For filmmakers, this means more creative control. For beginners, this means professional results without professional risk. Why other drones cannot compete directly? No other drone currently offers FPV flight, 360-degree capture, DJI level stabilization, and safety features in one package. Some drones are safer but lack creativity. Some are fast but risky. Some offer 360 capture but lack aerial intelligence. DJI Avata 360 combines all of these into one ecosystem, making it a category-defining product. If normal drones are designed to record what you see, DJI Avata 360 is designed to record everything, everywhere, from every angle. That is what makes it special. That is why the hype is real. And that is why this drone is not just another launch, but a revolution in aerial content creation. If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about DJI Avata. Would you buy it, or is the price too high? This is Cortec, and I will see you in the next video.